Hello all, welcome to my channel Mademoiselle Pi. Today we will quickly see what is a pass statement in Python. The pass statement is used as a placeholder for future code. When the pass statement is executed, nothing happens, but you avoid getting an error when empty code is not allowed. Empty code is not allowed in loops, functions, class definitions, or in if statements. So what does it mean? Let's have a look in the example. I have created a class called as person, but I do not know actually for this class what are the properties that I should put in place. So hence, for the moment, I have just created a class, but I haven't decided which properties it should have. So that's why I have put a pass. Similarly, in the next example, I have created a method smile. However, I do not know what exactly the definition would be. And in the last example, I have got a list of three elements, but right now I do not know actually how I would like to use the elements available in this list. Hence, I have put a pass statement over here. When you execute the code is doing nothing because we haven't listed down any action that needs to be performed, but at least there is no error that is been thrown away. For example, if I comment out the pass statement in one of the example. Let's rerun the code and you will see that Python is throwing an indentation error. And hence, in order to not to have any errors, but at least you would like to keep the code ready, you can use it in this case. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.